Did you know that proper maintenance can extend a diesel engine's life by up to 50%? That's the power of expert diesel maintenance knowledge in action. Organizations operating diesel equipment face increasing maintenance costs and reliability issues. Many struggle with premature engine failures, poor fuel efficiency, and excessive downtime. Without proper maintenance expertise, companies waste resources on unnecessary repairs and replacements. Diesel technicians often feel challenged by modern engine technologies and diagnostic requirements. They struggle with complex troubleshooting, emission systems, and preventive maintenance planning. This leads to longer repair times and repeated failures. This certification course provides hands-on training in modern diesel engine maintenance. From advanced diagnostics to preventive maintenance, participants learn to maintain and repair diesel engines effectively and efficiently. Companies report significant reductions in engine failures and improved fuel efficiency after implementing proper maintenance practices. Repair costs decrease while equipment availability increases. The systematic approach ensures consistent maintenance quality across all equipment. Certified technicians become expert troubleshooters and maintenance specialists. Their career opportunities expand as they master modern diesel technologies. Teams become more efficient with standardized maintenance procedures and diagnostic approaches. Don't let diesel engine problems drain your resources. Join professional technicians who are mastering diesel maintenance through certification. Enroll now to become a certified diesel engine specialist. Power up your maintenance capabilities.